How to use Google Meet. First of all, if you don't have Google Meet on your device, you may just download it from Play Store and launch it. After launching it, you see this kind of interface appears on your screen with the option New on the side, and on the top you can see your profile, and on the left you can see the menu bar. So to join a meeting or create a new meeting, what you need to do is tap on New, and to create your own meeting, tap on Create a New Meeting and tap on Join Meeting. You may just share the link before creating the meeting just in case people will join your meeting after creating on the link. So just tap on Join Meeting. So before joining the meeting, you may mute or unmute yourself or turn on your camera or not turn it on. And you may just do it accordingly and then join. After joining here, you can see, since I'm the only one here, it says you're the only one here, and you can see the meeting link option. You may just copy the link and send it with your friends. And here you have the raise your hand option. If you have any questions during the meeting, just tap on it and you can raise your hand. And on the side of it, there is 3-dot option. You can see in call messages, you may just ask messages through typing on it if you don't want to speak. Here you have share option, sharing your screen. If you tap on continue, your screen will start sharing. So for example, if you have a meeting or a presentation you want to share, then you may just tap on that option. And below the shared screen option, you can see the settings option. Just tap on it and you can see a lot of options that you may arrange accordingly for your meeting. Another option we have is host controls. If you're the host, you can control your meetings. And likewise, we have activities and other options. You may just watch YouTube together or play games and during the meeting. And that's it. Same goes to when people send you a link, you just need to tap on the new option and tap on search or enter code and paste the link code that you have or enter the meeting code that you have and tap on join, and you'll be joined in the meeting that other people shared. So in this way you can use Meet on your phone. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.